Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Let's start! So one of the things that iPhone features have is actually putting your phone on Do Not Disturb, meaning you won't be able to receive any phone calls or texts or SMS or. But it's not like you're not receiving them. It's just that, your phone wouldn't alarm. This is perfect when you just want to have a long hours of sleep. You don't want to be disturbed. So there's actually a way for you to do that on your iPhone, which is great, right? So if you swipe down from the upper right of your device, you would be able to see a shortcut here for focus in my end. And then, there's option for you to like do not disturb, sleep, personal, and then work. So there's a way for you to customize on how you would want to receive your calls or SMS. So say for example, your phone is on do not disturb, you would actually receive or your phone would actually notify your contacts, and if they're using iPhone, there's actually a part wherein they would be able to see that you're on do not disturb mode. Now if you would want to turn that off, you just actually need to click on that and then, just turn it off. There's actually a way for you to, manage how you would want your do not disturb, like as far as duration is concerned, if you want to have like for 1 hour or only until this evening or until you leave this location. If your location settings is on, we do have other video tutorials for that. There's a way for you to actually manage your location settings, and there's a way for your phone also to have the do not disturb be turned off if you leave the premise. So there. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, guys, please hit on like. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.